Guys, we're stuck in traffic right now, dude. Really stuck in traffic trying to make it to the 2 design district right now. Trying to make it over there, and the parking is incredible right now, dude. I mean, there is no parking, dude. We have to literally, we're moving inch by inch right now to get there. I just moved 1 inch forward.
Someone parked a McLaren.
This McLaren came to park all the way in the hood, dude. Guys, this McLaren came to park all the way in the hood, dude. Look. He didn't find no parking, and he wasn't gonna pay no parking either. So this is where we're parking. Think they're charging for parking there? Like parking there? You can pretend that's my house.
That's an abandoned place.
Move reverse there. Parking there. Guys, comment down below.
It could be someone's residence.
We could be with our guy back there. That's our guy.
This is someone's house, actually. It's not for sale.
We can ask the chicken back there, and then we can park there. He's right there. Ask him, man.
You're gonna be in trouble for letting you park.
Hey, we're literally walking on. There's a lot of people. Look at it. There's a lot of people out there, guys. Look at this. Ain't no regular car around here. Look at this. Look at all the Ferraris right here. Look at the Ferrari camel wrap. Got the AMG in the back. Ferrari right there. That's crazy, guys. Look how full it is. It's packed, guys. It's super packed. Damn. That's crazy. Now look at this thing, bro. Cause I want this AMG right. That shit's sick as hell. Look at everyone on the rooftop over there, bro. It's deep, bro. Look, look how deep it is. Everyone on the rooftop, look. No, that's crazy. I gotta go in there and look at the cars. Guys, it's time to show you guys cars without me talking, dude. Benjamin there.
¿Dónde está la gente? Porque si no, no puedes tomar la foto y...
No puedes tocar. Tú me paras, mira, para ahí, ya. Mira por aquí, mira. Es automático.
That was horrible with the thumbs up, bro.
Guys, that was the first montage of the event. Now we're going to the backside. But look at these mopeds right here. Look, crazy. There's a lot of cars back there, guys. And there's a lot of music too, a lot of people. So I gotta get the right shot for you guys to show you guys all the cars, man. I gotta wait for everyone to move out the car to take a little quick picture, a quick video. There's a lot of people, guys. A lot of you guys might know where it is at. This is Miami. Just today it's super packed. Super packed, guys. Guys, look how packed it is, guys. It's super packed, bro. Look at this torch right here. Guys, look at Pagani, guys. This is a Pagani right here. One of the most expensive cars. Freaking Pagani, dude. That's crazy, right? Look at the word. Pagani, guys. That's insane, bro. gotta show you guys the muffler, dude. Hey, hold on.
Hello. Baby, can you get away?
Guys, it's so crowded. We have to literally push each other to come in here to see these cars, guys. There's so many people out here. You got a blister, baby? If you got a blister, we're gonna go right now, okay? This is our crowd area, guys. Super crowded. Hey, wait, no, no, no. Hey, this way.
This way.
Eddie, stop. No, we gotta sneak in this way. That Corbin like $30,000, dude. The kid was leaning on the Corbin, dude. This way. Guys, the guy just said that the lip of that gray one costs $250K, dude.
Horrible financial decision.
That's cost half of my house, dude.
Let's ask him for the windshield.
How much for the windshield?
Ask him.
This one's at 3.3. The three flat will take it, and 2.8 will take that one.
2.8 for like.
Dude, it's insane. What I always tell people though is like, these are nothing. Hey buddy, you know better. Please no. Thank you. McLaren F1's 25.
That kid keep touching everything.
It's in VIP. So
Another-
straight over. It's a green car. That car, give it another 2 years.
Rena?
That's crazy.
Ask him for the windshield.
Nah.
3.3 mil.
3.3 mil, dude.
Real money lies in the Paganis though. Yeah, so our Pagani row, I would say the cheapest one we have is like 4.
Are you gonna- are you,
Pagani over there is
trying
just
to
over
move?
8.
You gonna walk?
that way, yeah.
Right
Can you
down
let-
here.
Yeah, so basically,
You gotta go in between the people
shop
here.
right here where you see Miami.
What happened?
Nah, bro, I'm getting.
We made it to the Lambo section. Look at them. There's so many people. I can't even get a good video from the front, guys. I'm trying to get good videos for you guys, but dude, this shit is packed, bro.
Yeah, I know.
God
You want
damn.
to put here where people get around?
I want to go to the Paganis. They're that way.
Oh, now it is. Jeez.
I'm gonna just cut to there. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hey John,
Shit.
look at the podium.
Yeah, there's so many people here, bro. It's just insane how many people are out here, dude. You see, at least we can take a video of this one. Huh? Look at it. That's nice, dude. Look at all of them right here. Let me take more montage right here, guys. Hold up. This is my opportunity.
Así es de la.
Thank you. What in the world is this, bro? Guys, check out these beasts right here, dude. It's so packed in. Let me try to see if I get a front view for you guys. Guys, look at these monsters. I was able to get to the front and show you guys. Look at the lineup for Lamborghini, bro. It's insane, dude. Now we at the Pagani section. Look at this Pagani right here. That's incredible, dude. Pagani, dude. That's insane. Look at the inside. Drum roll, please. Let's go see the inside, guys. And they're showing the engine. They left go to the hood to show the engine. Look at that. One day, bro. When you hit 10 million subscribers, you find that one.
Yeah. Pagani.
Oh, for
Like, I wasn't able to get a couple shots of the Paganis for you guys. But guys, there's a lot of people pushing each other in there to get them footage for you guys, man. Holy crap, there's another one here. Hold on. Let me go get the footage of the white one, bro.
Kind of can, but
There's a white one right here, guys. The original color. What is the line of Pagani? No, man.
They have one in the lobby of the building.
Oh, you did.
There's a Pagani.
Oh,
Just
so
open.
Miami, isn't it?
eu não esperava que a Thaís não é culpa sua, se eu não quisesse.
Right, all these Paganis are the same color, carbon blue. That's insane. This is carbon gray right here. Look at it. That's insane. That's insane how many cars there is here, guys. There's more than, I bet there's more than $1 billion worth of cars in here right now. I guarantee that right now. Look at this pinkish one, dude. Guys, there's a golden one over there. Look at that. A golden Pagani. Pagani is covered in colors, right? But I don't think it moves because the headlights and everything, the windows too tinted to be moving around. Yeah, it's a Pagani and colors, dude. Guys, even the I don't think it moves. That shit don't move, bro. It's crazy. See that recorder, lady? It's so packed, guys.
So we go to get coffee. We have his breakfast.
These are the owners right here, guys. We're over trying to sneak up to everyone, like not sneak up, like trying to pass through everyone to get them shots. This is insane, dude. I never seen that many people at a car event. When we go to car events every day. Look at this over here, bro. Look at this over here. Oh, this is a Diablo right here. Oh, look at this. This is crazy. All these cars are. You might have to call it now. There's so many people and it's getting late. And my daughter's crying because she got a blister in her feet. So right now, might head to the car and get something to drink and see what else we do here at nighttime. But there's a lot of cars out here, guys. This is insane, dude. This is the last thing I'm going to. I think I've seen enough cars that. Look at this Ferrari, dude. That's crazy, bro. Let it. This is insane. This is packed. Look at this. Guys, we made it to our car, dude. I had to walk like 10 blocks to make it to this thing, dude. We finally made it, dude. I had to park in the construction site, dude. It's insane, dude. It's a long. I had to leave, guys. 'Cause it was a lot of people there, bro. They didn't even let me take pictures or anything, dude. It was just bad. Hope you guys liked the video, guys. It was a nice car event today. It was just really packed, guys. It was a lot of people. I hope you guys liked the montage. I did, because I tried my best getting the best videos for you guys, because I was so crowded. I literally had to push to get myself in to get the cars, get a shot of the cars, bro. Yeah, guys, we're gonna see what else we do here in Miami today. If we do something else, I'm gonna continue the video. If not, see you here, guys. See you to next video, guys. So stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to see all our videos, guys. I always say that, but hit that post notification to be the first one to see our videos, guys.